Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to edit the master page in Adobe InDesign. So now open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. The first thing that we need to go is to head to our page tab or our page panel. If you don't find it, you will need to go to the window tab here and search for pages. Basically, it needs to be here. So we click pages and it shows us this tab or panel. Now we need to find the master page, which is this one. So basically we have only one page in this work here in our page or project, and we are going to head to the master project or the master page, and now we can start editing it. So basically let's just add anything to it. For example, let's just add this text and go here, and we can add a text and just have some thank you, and we can give some default things here. For example, I have this shape here, then I'll go like that. I have this one, and now you can have all these editings that you can do to the master page. They can be done to other pages in your projects or in your InDesign work. So basically, as you can see, this is an A master, and you can see that my page is also an A master applied. So basically, you can go to the uh, go here, don't select here, so you will go to the other pages place or section, and you right click on it, and you can go apply the A master, because I have only one master page, so I will have an A master, and you can apply this master editing to the pages that you desire. Here I have only this page, so I will have all pages. So basically, when I go to the next page or my page, I will have all the editings that I did to the master page are applied here to my page that I have just custom, and I had only one text to it. So basically, this is how you how to edit your master pages in InDesign. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.